Start by weighing out a couple of eggs, in this case 120 grams, times 1.64, about 197 grams of flour. This is durum wheat. Finely ground flour is perfect for rolled pastas like lasagna, ravioli, or linguine. You want to go with the coarse semolina when you're going with eggless pastas like cavatelli or orecchiette. A food processor with a dough blade makes making pasta easy. Durum wheat and eggs. That's it. Pulse everything together, and as it starts to come together, it's going to form a ball. See? A ball, just like I said. You just don't roll that out. It's got to chill in the fridge first. Hand-shaped pastas from southern Italy are made with the coarse ground semolina, 300 grams to 160 grams of water. You may need to scrape down in between, but it will come together and eventually form a ball. And you're on your way to making cavatelli. This needs time to hydrate too. You want to use plenty of bench flour when working with pasta dough. It's sticky. And you want to get it thin enough to fit into your machine, but not too wide. The lowest setting is a 1 and is for kneading. Crank the dough through. Nonna always had a hand crank. Fold the dough on itself. Layering it kneads it, making the pasta stronger so it doesn't fall apart. But remember to keep adding flour so it doesn't stick. You don't want to add too much flour while you're kneading it though. That's going to make some nice pasta. Now you can add more flour and start coming in a little. That flour that you used as dusting is going to work into the pasta as you make it thinner. Thinner and thinner until you get the exact thickness you're looking for. I'm going to a number 4 thickness. That's going to be perfect for fettuccine. This pasta roller has a cutting blade attachment. Making perfect fettuccine easy. You don't got a pasta roller? No problem. All you need is a Nonna's knife. Grandma Jenny would say, roll out the snakes. Roll them out like the width of my pinky finger. Cut your snakes into individual pieces. This is what you need the Nonna's knife for, pushing and making cavatelli. Nonna makes cavatelli at lightning speed. Use fresh pasta right away. It will last in the fridge for a couple days or can go in the freezer.